This video was sponsored by Onenest Studios. Elevate your sound. If you're looking for a studio that is reasonably priced to record your music, podcasts, etc., then you cannot go wrong with Onenest Studios. Contact the number down below or the email address or visit their website for more details. Thank you. Hi, this is my video, and it's an unusual video because I don't often make videos about these items, but this is a video on a micro SD and SD card storage holder. Now this holder is credit card size. Well, they claim it's credit card size, and it's from a company called Bandc, and when you get it, it comes in this flat box, plain flat brown box, and that is the only thing that tells you what's in the box, and this has been placed on there by Amazon. And you can pick these particular card holders up from Amazon for $6.99. Now this is what you get in the box. You get these two credit card size holders, and they come in this plastic, so I'll just show you with this one. They come in this plastic in the box, and this is what they hold. You get one room here for a standard size SD card or SD card, micro SD card adapter, and then we have room here for 5 and 5 again of micro SD cards. Now you can't fit anything on the back. Nothing can be fitted on the back, it's just the front of this. And we have a hole here. You can either put this on a keychain or a lanyard, it's up to you. But the company claims these are credit card size items, so they can fit into your wallet or purse. And it's just a simple bit of plastic. And that is it really for this. If you're looking for something which has the most minimum, that can hold a lot of micro SD cards, and it has to be micro SD cards. It cannot hold SIM cards. So if you're trying to put nano SIM cards in these, it's not designed to put nano or micro SIM cards in these holders. It's just strictly for micro SD cards and also one standard SD card. So the whole entire package with the two of them would fit 20 micro SD cards and 2 standard SD cards in there. But as I says, it's credit card size, very flat. So this will hold up the minimum amount of space. So if you're looking for something to carry all of your cards, micro SD cards and one SD card, you can't go wrong with this. Now to me the only negative thing with this is not so much the color, because they do come in this color and no other color that I could see on Amazon for the color of these. But the negative thing to me is the price. This is a lot for $6.99. Absolutely a lot to pay for this, basically 2 credit card size plastics items just to hold micro SD cards. Now I have done a video on the CanKicks micro SD card and SD card holder, and I'll leave a link up here about it. And to me that was more worth the price, because that was like a kind of Swiss Army knife style shape to it, and had a kind of Swiss Army knife action when showing and how to store the cards, which was to me is a lot better and was worth the money. This, tell you the truth, are probably only worth to me £1.50 each, and the 2 items should have been sold for about £3. They're not worth to me $6.99 for these. There is no chance. But anyway, that's my opinion on what I think about with the pricing. But otherwise, other than that, these are great little items to have to hold your cards. Now, to insert your micro SD cards into these holders here, you get your micro SD card, you simply match it up with the slot here and simply push. And that's messed up on the first go, but we'll try again. You simply push and they clip in like so. And the same with the SD card here. You simply match it up with the slot and push. Now, please, when you're going to insert these cards, make sure that they are facing this way up rather than the other way up, because for some reason they are even more, not so much with the SD card, but they are more fiddly to come out. And also you're not protecting the actual contacts on the backs of these cards if you face them up the other way. So make sure they face with their logos and prints facing towards you. Now, to take them out, you're going to need nails. If you haven't got nails, they are very fiddly to take out. Now, to take them out, you simply slide, so you got a little bit of a slot here. So they'll be in there like so. You simply slide, which produces a little bit of a gap, and you get your fingernail in that gap and simply push to the right. Now, as I said, they're very fiddly, and you push to the right whilst lowering this middle tab here, this middle tab there, and they slide out like that. As I says, you need nails. If you ain't got nails, fingernails, very difficult to slide out. And as I says, you slot them back in like so, and they clip back in. So to put them in is very easy to do, but to take them out, you need nails. And as I says, you've got to leave a little slot, push down on the middle section here, and they come out like so. Because it's the middle section there, which you can see a little tab there that holds them in. So bear that in mind. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I know it's a very short video, but if you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. I perfectly understand. And one more thing, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.